SEO traffic crashing by 40% isn't about your ranking tanking. It's because users have stopped searching. Welcome to the zero-click era. When a user asks AI for the best home theater, Sonos gets the wreck. Your client invisible. Facing this crisis, the client still wants to double down on buying Google keywords. As a strategy consultant, do you stick to the old playbook, or do you pivot to a brand new strategy built on share of model? That's where you need Atypica. I drop this problem directly into Atypica. First, no generic AI fluff. Strategy consulting demands extreme context awareness. Once Atypica parses and deconstructs the problem, it directly triggers plan mode. Note this, it doesn't just guess. Unlike ChatGPT, where you need to write a massive prompt, Atypica acts like a seasoned engagement manager. It automatically understands your pain points, asks 3 critical guiding questions on product type, target demo, and strategy prefs, and then pitches you a proposal. Recommend a 3-phase study: social scan, competitive benchmarking, then AI simulation interviews. This step is crucial. It instantly turns vague anxiety into a customized model attribution analysis task. Click Confirm. Your AI consulting team is live. Simulation on. To figure out where the client is losing, we deploy the Scout agent. It's not just searching, it's performing immersive observation. 2 minutes later, it catches the critical insight. Sonos wins the AI recommendation because it has massive semantic authority. Tons of long-form technical discussions from real users. Our client's product? The web is flooded with marketing fluff. The AI models flag it as low-value signal and filter it out. That's the gap. Sounds logical, but how do we prove it to the client? We need hard data. Enter Atypica's core moat, the 3-layer AI persona architecture. Unlike basic AI roleplay, our personas are built on consistency science with 4-level verification. I spun up 7 tech-savvy early adopters. The system rapidly generates 6 archetypes: 3 zero-click perplexity users and 3 traditional Google searchers. Click any persona, and you see detailed values and identity specs. Now, let's bring them to life. Scenario 1. Interview chat. I want the why. I ask persona Marcus, what info do you look for before buying? Marcus's answer is gold. It shows a real audiophile's obsession with hard specs and total rejection of marketing BS. Scenario 2. Discussion chat. I want to see how different demos react to the marketing. I let the AIs debate and correct each other, finally reaching a consensus. If the content is dry and technical, we buy. Interview digs for motive. Discussion tests the strategy. It's a 1-2 punch. This simulated decision journey is way more intuitive than staring at cold CTR reports. The confidence behind this? It's built on 300,000 synthetic consumers derived from social data and 10,000 digital twins. Consultants fear AI hallucination, but academic data shows real humans only have 81% consistency answering the same question 2 weeks later. Atypica's AI personas stabilize at 85%. Statistically, this silicon simulation is even more objective than a real focus group. You might ask, why not use Claude? Claude is a generalist. It's your intern. Atypica is a specialist. It's your commercial research agent. Why not user testing? Human testing takes 3 weeks and $50K. Atypica takes 3 hours and saves you 85%. Based on this simulation, Atypica generates an ASO strategy report. The results are shocking. It directly overturns the client's assumption to pump more into Google Ads. The research shows traditional SEO keywords are useless to LLMs. Users hate them as spam. The data points to the only way out: building semantic authority. Meaning, stop buying keywords. Pivot to producing high-density technical white papers and third-party reviews. That is the only way to claw back the traffic AI stole. In this algo-driven era, guessing is expensive. Simulation is efficient. Stop waiting for focus group scheduling. Let AI understand what you need, then tell the world what to do. This is Atypica. Start your simulation today.